This is Karen.
Hey, I'm Shane.
So, last time, remember we were talking about our new neighbors,
Our noisy
right?
neighbors upstairs.
Wait a minute. They already apologized for all the noise that they made.
That's true.
And remember we got a chance to see their home? It was
So
beautiful.
ugly. What?
Did you just say ugly?
You liked the way it looked?
Yeah, I like the way how they arranged their furniture.
Okay, I don't agree. Well, today's dialogue, they're talking about arranging furniture too, right?
Well, okay, let's take a look then.
Let's take a look.
Shirley and Trevor are arranging the new furniture in their home.
The closet works well at the end of the bed.
I still say we should move it over a little and put the dresser beside it.
That will make things too crowded, but if you insist, we can try it your way.
Do you have a better idea?
So today we're looking at part C of making a place ready for living.
All right.
And in today's dialogue, they're going to arrange the new furniture in their home.
Oh, do you pay attention to how you arrange the furniture? Like to give you good luck or bad luck?
You mean like feng shui, right?
Yeah. Do you do that?
No, actually, I never.
Oh,
Whenever I move my furniture around, I never really pay attention to feng shui.
But you're not worried about it.
Well, I've had pretty good luck in my life, so no, not really. How about you?
I never worried about it until I came to Taiwan.
Really?
And a feng shui master came to our apartment, and he had a lot of negative things to say about how we arranged our furniture.
Really?
Yeah, I wasn't happy when he left.
But did you listen to the feng shui
No,
master?
but I don't really believe him.
Okay. But have you had bad luck?
I mean, of course, sometimes people just have bad luck, but I've had good luck too.
True.
I don't think it has anything to do with my furniture.
So you don't really believe in feng shui?
No,
Okay.
but I believe in this dialogue.
Oh, that's right. So let's go into today's dialogue. Shirley and Trevor are arranging the new furniture in their home. And Shirley says, the closet works well at the end of the bed.
I still say we should move it over a little and put the dresser beside it.
That will make things too crowded. But if you insist, we can try it your way.
Do you have a better idea?
So in today's dialogue, it says, I still say. What does it mean when we say, I still say?
It means that 我还是这么觉得.
Okay, that's what you think.
I still feel the same way, even though you said this, I still believe what I said. I think my idea is still better than your idea.
So you're not really a good listener.
Because I insist that we do it a certain way.
Okay.
And I don't want to hear anybody's negative ideas.
Okay, so when you say I still say, that means that you still feel this way, right?
Right.
Okay, and the first vocabulary word for today is beside, which is very simple to understand. That means next to. So
Right.
Shane is standing beside me.
I am standing beside you, and Karen is standing beside me.
That's right. A very simple sentence to understand and use.
Yes.
How about the second vocabulary word?
Insist.
What does it mean to insist?
If you insist about something, it means that you are not going to allow somebody to say something different.
Okay.
It means that you are sure.
You will not change your mind.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's say if we go out to dinner together and I'll tell you, okay, well, maybe I should pay.
No.
And then,
No. I insist that I pay for this meal.
really?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm such a gentleman.
Then I'm not going to fight you over it.
Wait.
You can pay for my meal because you insisted.
But don't you think it's still polite that you insist that you will pay for your own meal?
No, not really, because then it will go on forever. It's okay.
That's true.
Since you insisted, and I will let you pay.
Let me ask you, are you the person in your home, because you have a husband?
Yes.
Are you the person who likes to arrange the furniture and make everything look really pretty?
Well, I'm pretty good at that, I have to say.
Really?
Yes, I'm very visual. I like to look at things that's pretty, and I'm pretty good at it.
Because my wife doesn't care at all about
Really?
that kind of stuff. I'm the one who cares about it.
So you make things look pretty too.
I really care the way things are arranged, especially like the furniture, and then also have some decorations. I want my house to be comfortable.
I guess we both have pretty good taste.
I think we do have pretty good taste. How about a high five?
High five. And let's take a short break and we'll be right back.
Okay.
Yes, we can move the dresser to that side. Then we can hang the mirror on the wall above it.
I guess that sounds all right.
It's better than all right. You should trust my design sense.
Okay, let's go with your idea.
Welcome back,
Welcome!
everybody. So before the break, Trevor asked Shirley, do you have a better idea, right?
Yeah,
And
because he insists
that's
that
right.
his idea is the best.
So now Shirley says, yes, we can move the dresser to that side. Then we can hang the mirror on the wall above it.
I guess that sounds all right.
It's better than all right. You should trust my design sense.
Okay. Let's go with your idea.
I think that's a good idea.
I don't think he seems very convinced about her idea.
I don't think so either.
Right? So when you use this word all right, it doesn't really mean
It's brilliant.
awesome.
That's right.
好棒哦，就
还可以，还不错。
还 OK 哦。
I think it's all right. So if you ask me, how does your shirt look? And I'll be like, it's all right.
Wait, it's just all right?
Okay, it's pretty good.
It's very nice. I like this color, don't you?
I do.
I think we match pretty well today.
Yeah, we do. So we don't just look all right. We look great.
So that's why she said it's not just all right. That means because all right doesn't sound great.
All right, it's just, it's all right. It's okay. It's so-so. Okay, and the next vocabulary word we have is design. When you say design, you're actually thinking of maybe a drawing, a plan of something. It could be like design for clothes, design of a building. It's an idea that you have for something.
Yeah.
So, for example, I could ask you, do you like the design of my shirt?
Yeah, actually, it's pretty cool. Yeah, so she says you should trust my design sense.
You're right.
Right?
Just like you should trust my design sense.
Okay, so sense here means the way that I see things,
Okay?
the way that I feel about things, my sense,
That's right.
right?
So she says, you should trust my design sense. That means she probably has a really good sense, right?
Right. So her feeling is kind of like her sense. I hear in Chinese people will say the English word sense.
That's right.
When they're speaking Chinese, they'll say, "Oh, 你很有 sense."
So when you say that in Chinese, it's actually you mean that you have a good taste.
Yeah, you have good taste because your idea, your feeling about something is your sense is kind of like your taste,
That's right.
right?
And in the end of the dialogue, we actually talk about, hey, okay, well, let's go with your idea. So if you and another person, they have a different opinion on something, and then you think maybe the other person has a better idea, you can just say, okay, let's go with your idea.
Or if you don't want to argue with them and you just feel, let's go with your idea, right?
Yes, you can also say it like that.
Sometimes you just don't have the energy
to argue,
to fight with somebody. So you say, okay, let's go with your idea.
Nevertheless, if you think that you have a better idea, you can also say, let's go with my idea.
Oh, that's true. I say that a lot. Let's go with my. No, usually we say, let's go with your idea, right? We don't usually say, let's go with my idea.
Because it sounds a little bit maybe not
rude.
That nice.
It's pretty rude. 感觉真的很不礼貌.
That's right. Okay, fine. Let's go with your idea today.
Oh, okay.
Shirley and Trevor are arranging the new furniture in their home.
The closet works well at the end of the bed.
I still say we should move it over a little and put the dresser beside it.
That will make things too crowded, but if you insist, we can try it your way.
Do you have a better idea?
Yes, we can move the dresser to that side. Then we can hang the mirror on the wall above it.
I guess that sounds all right.
It's better than all right. You should trust my design sense.
Okay, let's go with your idea.
大家好，我是 Stephanie。那今天的对话中有哪些单字呢？第一个是 beside 介系词，在旁边。Who is that beside Roger? Roger 旁边的人是谁呀？第二个呢 insist 是动词，坚持的意思。May didn't want to take a taxi, but her friend insisted. May 不想要搭计程车，可是她的朋友坚持这么做。第三个 design 它是名词，设计的意思。我们一起看一个例句。Gloria is studying design at school. Gloria 呢，她在学校攻读设计。第四个 sense 名词，什么什么感或是感觉，像是幽默感的话就是 sense of humor。那我们一起看一个例句。Some people have no fashion sense. 有些人没有时尚感。好，那我们一起看3个文法重点哦。第一个是 the end of something。我们以前看电影的时候，是不是最后结尾都会写 the end？ 那就表示这一部电影结束了。所以 the end of something 就是指某个事情或是某件物品的末端或是尾声。例如 Queenie is so tall that she sits at the end of the classroom. Queenie 因为长太高了，所以她坐在教室的最后面。第二个呢 I still say 加名词子句，意思是我还是认为。say 呢，它在这边已经不是说话的意思，而是觉得、认为，用来表示想法或是主见。那举一个我自己的例子 ，Although kimchi has become a popular food, I still say it is too spicy for me. 虽然泡菜已经成为热门的食物，可是对我来说还是太辣了。好，第三个 move over 挪动、移开的意思，它可以拆开来使用，所以你可以在 move 和 over 之间加名词或是代名词。我们一起看一个例句 ：The picture isn't in the middle, so we need to move it over a little bit. 这幅画它不在正中央，所以我们要把它往旁边移一点点。
Hi, I'm Daisy.
And I'm Zsolt.
And we're about to play a game called Word Drop. We each have in our hands 3 cards with vocab that we have not seen yet, and we're going to work it into our conversation. Zsolt, come on, let me buy you coffee or something. Like, we haven't seen each other in a really long time.
My girlfriend would not be happy about that.
Come on, it's just a coffee, Zsolt. Like, I insist.
Do you?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I have some other plans today. Steven is having a party, and I've got a good feeling about it, and it's just common sense to say yes when someone invites you to a party.
I thought you didn't want to go to that. You're going to the party? Whatever. That's beside the point. I just haven't seen it in a really long time. I wanted to catch up, but if you're not interested, it's okay.
Now I feel a little guilty. You look pretty sad, but I must stick with what I said. And because I'm just going to go to the party real quick, and then I've got to get home because I have to design my next year's plans and what my goals and what I want to achieve this year, this summer specifically.
Okay, well.
So I have a lot of important things to do.
Yeah.
Don't look so downtrodden and sad. It's okay. We can get coffee another time.
Yeah, it's okay. It's all right. We can do this another time. We can catch up. I understand. I need to get a job. I need to make myself busy. I need to focus on me, you know? I need to stop trying to give myself to others. I need to value myself more, you know?
Yes. I sense the depression in your voice, and now I understand why you are so down. And getting a job will definitely help you get out of this.
No, I just need coffee. I'll see you later.
No, wait. I got one more word.
Oh.
And the coffee or the setting of the goals will help you get to the end of this life phase and help you move on. Nothing. You can go now. You can go get your coffee.
Okay.
Bye.
See you next time.